The 2007-2012 Lexus ES 350 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These batteries typically cost between $2 and $5. To replace it, first ensure your vehicle is off. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to carefully open the key fob at the seam. The fob usually snaps open, so avoid excessive force. Once open, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation with positive side up, marked with a plus symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensure it's securely in place. Now, reassemble the fob, making sure it snaps together tightly to prevent moisture damage. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the lock, unlock, panic, and trunk release buttons. If the fob doesn't work, first double-check the battery orientation. If it still fails, the battery contacts inside the fob might be corroded. Clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. If problems persist, you may need to reprogram the key fob. This can sometimes be done by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds while near the vehicle. If reprogramming fails, consult a Lexus dealership, as the fob may require professional reprogramming or there may be an issue with the vehicle's receiver. Remember, using OEM spec batteries can prevent voltage mismatches and extend fob lifespan. Also, consider that a survey from 2025 found 1 in 4 fobs fail within 3 years due to battery issues or environmental damage.